Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we take you through how to use and manage your expired basket in SigniFlow. Once a document's due date has passed, it gets moved to the expired basket. We will demonstrate how to open a document, delete a document, and download the audit trails of these documents in the expired basket. Now, let's get started with managing the documents in this basket. Step 1. Open the expired basket from your dashboard. Step 2. Adjusting the basket's display and searching. In the top left corner above the table there is a Show Entries drop-down, where you can select how many table entries to display at a time. In the top right corner above the table is a search bar where you can use specific criteria to search for documents. The criteria you can use include the following: document ID, expired by, email address, date requested, date expired, document name, status/progress, and priority. Lastly, you can use the previous and next navigation panel beneath the table to navigate through your expired documents. Step 3. Open a document within your expired basket by clicking on the Open button in the corresponding row within the table. Once open, you can review the document, download the document, or you could view your document's audit trail. Step 4. Download a document's audit trail. Open your document's history by tapping on the clock icon in the corresponding row within the table. Another page will open with the document's history on display. You can download the document's audit trail by clicking on the Download Audit button. You can also download the document's combined audit trail by tapping on the Download Combined Audit button. Step 5. Delete expired documents. Delete a document within your expired basket by clicking on the Delete button in the corresponding row within the table. Please note you can delete multiple documents by checking the checkbox in the corresponding row within the table, then tapping on the Delete Checked Documents button beneath the table. Step 6. Download your expired basket's table details. You can copy the table to your clipboard by clicking on the Copy button in the left-hand corner beneath the table. Alternatively, you can download the table as an Excel document by tapping on the Excel button beneath the table. Lastly, you can download the table as a PDF by clicking on the PDF button beneath the table. And that is how to use and manage your expired basket. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.